So guys, welcome to my first video. So today, while I was in class at 2:20 p.m., right, well just a couple minutes before that, the emergency alert system went off. Yep. And if you look at the title screen, you'll see the screenshot I got of it when we were packing up. And yeah, it was just crazy because a bunch of people in my class have Apple Watches. So, and my teacher saw if you turn your phone on silent, it won't go off. It'll just be a buzz. So she decided to turn her phone on silent, but that didn't work. So everybody's devices started going berserk. And then in the middle of class, when it started going off, I ran down the hallway. And my phone and my friend's phone, and the whole hallway was just screaming. and one of the kids in my class, plus a couple kids in my class, plus the teacher, they thought it was just gonna go beep, and that's it. Like, I warned my teacher 2 times. It's not gonna work. She didn't believe me. Afterward, and if you have an Android, you really got an earthquake alert, because my friend has a Galaxy S20, and I asked him, bro, did you get an earthquake alert? He said yes. Asked my other friend who also has an Android, has a school phone. They said yes, I got an earthquake alert. It was crazy.